We were sitting in the car filming the final bits and bobs for episode 2 of season 2 of the Huntsman, and we're getting this great sunset footage. It was looking awesome. We saw a Brumby and then lost control of the drone. It went straight into the forest, like I reckon 800 meters or so, and crashed. And we're trying to figure out where we're going, what to do. And we jump out, we find the location, and we're just running into the state forest, just running. And then I look at Jesse Ray and Michael with me, and they're in flip-flops, and I've got my LOWAs on, and I was like, you know what, guys, let me just smash it. I'll run up. I just bolted, and I ran red last light. You can see here it's pitch black now. We probably had 10 minutes, and I just ran as hard as I could up the mountain, going from like this to this to this, and got to the top. And I was like, where's the drone? Where's the drone? Because we had the GPS coordinates. And I see these red and green flashing lights. And I think, geez, how irresponsible that that person has their game camera up here in the middle of the mountain. I was like, oh wait, it's the drone. So I grabbed it and I bolted down. And I tell you what, without these boots, in all honesty, that would not have happened. They were absolutely legendary. And they're one of the reasons why we were able to recover this drone. Very, very cool. Very cool. Thank you, LOWA.
Now, if you stumbled on this video and haven't yet seen episode 2 from season 2 of The Huntsman, I'll drop a link to that video below. This crash was actually a small slice of what happened on that trip, which is full of action. I shot a beautiful spiker, cooked up some tasty venison schnitzels, and I even got a sneak peek at the ultimate thermal weapon technology for deer management. Very cool. The video is linked below, as well as the playlist where you can find all of the episodes from season 2. Otherwise, till next time, happy hunting.